Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add your own custom font onto Wix.com. So once you're on your site and on the dashboard, click on this to edit your site. While we're letting it load, let's download our own fonts we want to upload onto Wix. So you can take any fonts you want. I'm just going to download this ice cream font, download. And on download, just click on the zip file. And you will want this, the OTV file. Now, once you have that downloaded, just go on the Wix.com designer site. Click on the site design. On site design, scroll down onto text theme. On text theme, click on the heading font or the font. Just click on that, and then there'll be a button telling you to upload your fonts. Just click that, and then it supports TFT, OTF, WOF, or WOFF2. Just click on upload fonts. This was the ice cream font I downloaded earlier. I'm going to click on that. Once all of it is uploaded, just press on done. And now the font will be on your Wix.com option. If I scroll down, there should be an ice cream font somewhere in here. Give it a second. It might take a little bit to load in, but sure enough, it will be there. Let me find it. There it is, up there, my fonts. I'm just going to click on that. And now our font will be a custom one we just uploaded earlier.